Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel. Hopefully friends you will be fine. Have you spending good and lavish life? So friend most welcome. Now I shared with you beautiful and great ideas which I shared with you in this video. Let's come guys, now I share with you beautiful and great ideas in this video. Crochet channel which I introduce beautiful and great ideas that are completely different to each other. Hopefully you will enjoy my beautiful and great ideas in this video. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and you can create different type of thinking information to watching that's beautiful ideas. Now I share with you in this video beautiful and great ideas in this video. Hopefully you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas in this video. I hope friends you will enjoy that's beautiful, and subscribe my channel. You will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas in this video. Hopefully friends you will enjoy that's great ideas in this video, and hopefully you will enjoy that great ideas in this video. So you will enjoy my beautiful and great ideas in this video I shared with you. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much friends to enjoy this video. I hope friends you will gain different type of thinking information to watching that's beautiful and great ideas in this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will begin different type of thinking information to watching that's beautiful and great ideas in this video, and you can create different type of thinking information. You will enjoy that's great and unique design ideas in this video. Hopefully you will enjoy. And in this video I shared with you beautiful and great ideas. I hope friends you will enjoy that's great and beautiful magnified ideas which are beautiful and are most ambitious to each other. You can create different type of thinking knowledge. You can create different type of thinking knowledge, beautiful ideas which I share with you in this video.